This town is quiet when it's late, yeah. This town is quiet when the night is getting close. I'm outside, gonna stay here.
What's up, guys? My name is Brandy.
What's up? I'm Zach.
And today we are making our very famous Jalapeño Margarita. This has caught quite the attention on Instagram. So we thought we would go ahead and share it with you guys here on YouTube. And basically it's Jalapeño Margarita, but if you don't like jalapeno, allergic to them, don't do heat, just skip that part and do this as a margarita recipe because it's so good. It's so good, so good. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, our channel. We're gonna be doing so many more home stuff and Zach's gonna be on here more. We're gonna vlog a little bit here and there. So subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you here. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much. We love you so much. You guys are seriously some of the best ever. We have really been enjoying this whole journey and reading all your comments. You guys leave us the best comments. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I'm at Brandy J Jackson, Brandy with a Y. I'll try to add it. We're still learning, so bear with us. But everything, including all of the barware that we're using, is going to be linked in the description, along with our Instagrams. So without further ado, you want
Let's
a margarita?
Do it. Yes.
All right.
Two.
Two margaritas. So the first thing you're gonna do is rim your glasses. I just have this glass rimmer. I will link this down below. By the way, all the barware, I'll link everything down below that I can, just like always. And I'm using the Lowry's Chili Lime Seasoning. Chili and lime seasoning. This stuff is the best. You could use tahine or Trader Joe's, I know, has one. Whatever is most convenient for you. And you're gonna take your lime, and actually you can rim the whole glass. So you could do, rim your glass just like normal. Margaritas is a messy situation, by the way. So you can do like a regular rim. Or one way that I recently saw at a local restaurant on their Instagram was so beautiful. They had just like the rim along just one side, and I thought it was so cute. I know, it's just so fun to be kind of different. I don't know if I can do it with this. Well, that's as good as I can get. I think if I had planned that a little better, it would have turned out a lot cuter. So once your glasses are rimmed, you're gonna just put your ice in your glass, have it ready to go. I have half of a jalapeno in the bottom of the shaker. We usually do one, but neither of us want it super spicy tonight. So we just did a half this time. And you're gonna take your muddler and you're just going to muddle your jalapeno at the bottom. If you want it spicier, I would do either like one full jalapeno, 1.5, but muddling it really does make the difference. We have tried infusing our tequila, we've tried infusing our simple syrup, and this really is the freshest flavor. So once you have your jalapenos muddled, you're gonna add your ice in your shaker. And then this is the recipe. I will also write everything down in the description, like as far as the recipe. So you're gonna take the bigger side of your jigger, which is, I think that's a full shot on the bigger side. So I do 3 parts, but I overspill always. Mine are really strong. Girl, if we ever hung out, I would get you ready to party, okay? So you're gonna do 3 parts tequila, 2 parts lime, 1 part orange juice. This just takes off the tart from the lime. And then 1 part simple syrup. Now I do try to keep the simple syrup pretty close to just 1 and not have too much over spillage. And then shake. I usually just shake until it's pretty frosted. And then I am going to, whoops, cut off a little bit of garnish. I think this also really helps with the flavor. Zach always picks these out, but I'm going to garnish them. Ready?
You ready? First things first. Get rid of that.
They couldn't even see what you got rid of. He got rid of the jalapeno.
Jalapeno.
Zach isn't a big spicy guy.
I like just a kick.
A little kick. Cheers.
So good.
So good. My favorite part is the chili lime.
Woo. That's good.
Though, here's the thing. The only problem with this recipe is that you start to crave them and that you want more.
And you're addicted to this chili lime.
Oh yeah.
I was never a fan, and then I bought this brand. Love it.
It's so
Even
good.
I love it. I was never a fan of chili lime before this.
I do know that it's kind of hard to find in grocery stores, so if we can find it online, we'll add it. Cool. Well, we're gonna go enjoy our margaritas. Thanks for hanging out with us. We love you guys so much, and we'll see you in our next video. Cheers.